Ako si Arman Sazon, ito ang Tindagat, ito ang sinag ng aming araw. We want to be the central hub of capacity building for small-scale fisher communities here in the Philippines. With the advent of responsible seafood sourcing, there will be a lot of demand or gap or need to capacitate yung mga local communities natin to adhere to that standard. And then we're here with our experience, with our initiatives that we are now productizing. We're ready to address that.
Sa pamagitan po na ni Ma'am Flora, tsaka ni Max. Dahil yan sila kasi noong sa Bislad pa, sila po talaga palaka dito. Sila po nagtitingin sa amin, nagsubaybay sa amin. Si Ma'am Flora, si Sir Chris, at saka si Max. Tsaka marami pa yan silang kasama dito.
Ako po si Lenny Dumaran Uyaw, taga-Tagbak, Lubang Occidental, Mindoro, isa pong fish vendor. Bago po dumating sa amin ang Tindagat, ang naging hanap buhay po namin noon ay nagdadaing kami, namamakyaw ng mga isda dahil kami po naman ay minsan lang lumalaot ang aming bangka. Nang dumating sa amin ang Tindagat, medyo gumaan ang aming hanap buhay kasi diyan na kami kumukuha sa kasa ng mga isda, nagpa-process kami at hindi na rin ako umiikot sa iba't ibang lugar.
Actually, malaking tulong po yung Rare Philippines Tindagat dito po sa isla ng Lubang. Before kasi, wala kaming pinagdadalhan ng mga products namin. Actually, ang target talaga namin is market linkaging. So, laking pasalamat po namin kay Rare Philippines dahil through Rare Philippines, nagkaroon ng Tindagat dito sa Lubang. Kung saan yung mga products namin dito sa Lubang ay nailalabas namin, meron kaming pinagdadalhan, hindi katulad dati na wala. Kasi dito lang siya sa island nag-stay yung ating mga products.
Hello, I'm Sam. I'm the marketing and sales manager of Tindagat. Of course, working in Tindagat made me appreciate local seafood more. So aside from learning the technical side of sourcing seafood, there are different fishing methods and how they get their seafood and also how we can sell the seafood to our consumers. I also learned that our fishers have a great role in protecting our seas and also putting seafood on our table. So by their responsible seafood sourcing, they get to protect the seas, ensure that our resources don't get depleted, while at the same time, they want to share the quality seafood that our country has. So there's a variety of fishes that here in the Philippines right now, and I'm excited that we can share this to more people.
Nakatulong din po na medyo dagdag kita. Opo. Hindi lang sa akin, doon pati na sa aming mga kapatid kong mga isda. Kaya kami nagpasalamat sa Tindagat na dumating dito sa aming buhay.
Ang nakikita ko pong future bilang kapartner ng Tindagat ay mapapagtapos ko po siguro ang aking anak sa pag-aaral, ang aking bunso. Siguro po, kalooban ni Lord na kami makapagdesisyon ng ganon, may lumapit sa amin na Tindagat para kami tulungan sa aming hanap buhay para masubukan din namin ang ibang hanap buhay.
Dapat nilang suportahan ang lubang kasi napakalaking potential po pagdating sa kita sa economy. Malaking kikitain nila dahil napaka-productive ng isla ng lubang. Napakaraming mga laman dagat na makukuha po dito.
Immersing myself in the community like Lubang made me realize that, since the Philippines is a country with lots of coastal communities, there are lots of opportunities also to flourish other communities, and we hope that we can get to inspire, or at least help them thrive more in sourcing and selling seafood.
It's a good thing kasi that I came here in Lubang with Bayan Academy and BPI Foundation because I realized several things, no? I've realized that there's so much potential for helping the community with improving their quality of life. Hindi lang siya pagpapalaki ng kita, but also it's financial inclusion, being provided better access to internet because marami na tayong pwedeng convenience na pwedeng makuha doon. Also exposing the community to institutions like Bayan Academy, BPI Foundation, to be able to put in systems, programs that not necessarily directly helps them with our supply chain, but the adjacent aspects that affect their lives. I think people should support local fishers in general. They are the ones who have been working so hard for us to have healthy proteins in our diet here for us Filipinos. So we need to support them. We are one of the organizations that is trying to put in place a model that gives them more dignity, that gives them better pay, that acknowledges their efforts and also tell their stories to their consumers. So we're inviting more people to be mindful of where their food comes from. Of course, support local, support the more than 2 million small-scale fisher families in the Philippines. You will make a difference if you support our local fisheries. And of course, Tindagat.